Hello, I'm going to show you how to put YouTube into a PowerPoint slide. The first thing we need to do is I need to tell you that this will work for 2007. I'm not sure about the compatibility of any other PowerPoint software, so make sure you're using 2007 with this. Okay, first thing we need to do is go to the Office button and get into Microsoft Office 2007 PowerPoint. Okay, this is going to be our title slide. So the first thing we need to do is make John's, you can use any name, whatever your PowerPoint is going to be, John Smith, and click new slide. Okay, now comes the difficult part. Here's how you actually do it. Okay, the first thing we need to do is click on the Office button. You'll see a drop down slide come up, and you'll notice PowerPoint options and exit PowerPoint. We won't use the exit PowerPoint because that's not where we're going with this. So we're gonna click that. Okay. You're gonna see options and popular proofing, save it, etc., etc. We're right where we need to be. So on this slide, we're gonna click Show Developer tab in the ribbon. Click that. If it's already checked, then you're right where you need to be. But if it's not checked, check it. And click OK. You're going to notice a little something added into the top. Developer. Click that. Make sure you're on that. Developer is an add tool. Okay. You click on the little hammer and the wrench. That will give us the more controls, the more control function. Okay, you're gonna see all this Adobe PDF reader, analog campaign class. We're not gonna need any of that. The only one we're gonna need is this shockwave flash object. Click OK. We're gonna scroll that out. You can see this little box here. This is where our YouTube's gonna go. Okay, the first thing we need to do is right click on the box and click Properties. You're gonna see some stuff on the properties on the left side. Right, we don't need that right now. Okay, what we need now is YouTube, the YouTube video that you want to put in there. So we're gonna have to go to YouTube and pick a. We can pick any. I'm gonna, for example, I'm gonna pick out an education-related activity. Hopefully, if I can get this internet up, which it is down. Come on, there we go. So I'm gonna type in education. Education. And I'm going to use a video by Tom Woodworth of Henrico County Schools in Virginia. I thank him for letting me use his. We're not going to need any sounds, so sound's already disabled. But we're going to use his video. Now you're thinking, I'm going to embed it. I'm going to use the embed code. No. You do not want the embed code. The embed code, don't touch it. The code that you're going to need is the URL. The URL right here. You highlight it and you copy it. Okay. Now let's come back to the properties page in PowerPoint. Okay. Scroll down until you see like movie. You're not looking for the movie data, but you are looking for the movie. And put your code there. Okay, you got like a URL, exactly what you want. In order to make this embed, you need to change some of the code. That's the watch with the question mark. Search for the watch question mark in the code. Here, I'll even point it out to you. This right here. That right there needs to go. Another part of the piece of code that needs to go is the equal sign. But we're not going to delete it. We're just going to replace it with the slash. Okay. Now, theoretically, we should be done with this part. We should be done. But we're going to find out right now if we're done. Okay, click on X. Okay. Okay, theoretically we're done. It should work. But we're going to test it and see if it actually works. From the beginning, John Smith. There you go. Your finished project. And this, my friend, is how you add YouTube to a PowerPoint slide.